Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get help with Facebook monetization eligibility. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is check your eligibility. So Facebook has specific criteria for monetization. Now, to see if you're eligible, go to your Meta Business Suite for pages or your professional dashboard for personal profiles in professional mode. Look for the monetization or in-stream ads section to see your status. You'll see whether you meet the requirements or if there are any issues to address. From here, we need to understand the requirements. So you must meet Facebook's monetization standards, which generally include a partner monetization policies. So rules about type of content, behavior, and account setup. Content monetization policies, restrictions on what content can be monetized. Community standards, general conduct rules, for example, no hate speech, nudity, etc. And also a minimum number of followers, views, or engagement depending on the monetization product. And now we might need to fix any issues. So if you're not eligible, go to your monetization tools section and click on policy issues. Review the listed problems, for example, content violations, copyright issues, or inauthentic engagement. And if possible, appeal decisions directly through the platform by following the steps provided there. You can also get direct help from Facebook themselves. So you can navigate to the Meta Business Help Center. This is through the settings in Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio. Look for the Get Support or Contact Support option. And now, if available, start a live chat or send a message. This may not be available for all users in all regions.